Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Simpson token. Ticker symbol is Cook. Now this is a very strange name for a token because the avatar, the profile picture basically for this token is Bart Simpson. There's been many Simpson tokens come out in the past that have been very popular, including a lot of Bart tokens, a lot of Homer tokens. Almost everybody in the whole show has had their own token so far, all the main characters anyways. And now we have this new token that just got listed today, December 30th, on a very big central exchange called Simpson. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. If you're looking for it on BSC Scan, it is just listed as Cook. So the name of the token is just Cook, and ticker symbol is Cook, C-O-O-K for both. And there's not even Simpson in the name when you look at it on BSC Scan, so that's kind of strange. But if you go to their webpage, it's just Bart stuff all over, same with their socials. And yeah, so right now they have 1,008 holders. So far they've had 3,207 transfers. There is 9 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply here of 420,690,000,000,000 Cook tokens. Now this token, it was just announced, just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 30th, 9 o'clock UTC time. This token just got listed on Mexc Global. Now prior to this, they had a Kickstarter event, and that is over because now this token is listed. So there was like, vote with MX tokens and win airdrops, that type of thing. And then now that's done, and this token is live on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Cook, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Telegram that you could follow at BartSimpson_BSC. They have 6,596 Telegram members, 91 of them online right now. So that's a great place to join the conversation if you want to talk about this token with others. It says, welcome to the newest player in the token world, Bartholomew Jojo Bart Simpson. Then it has a link to their webpage, cooksimpson.org. And then it has a link to their Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. It is twitter.com/CookSimpsonBSC. So yeah, almost 7,000 Telegram members, a lot of members there. They have over 1,000 token holders so far. On their Twitter, you can see here at CookSimpsonBSC, they have 33 tweets so far. Brand new project, just joined in June 2023 on Twitter. 8,674 Twitter followers. So their newest tweet is about their Mexc Global listing. It says, thrilled to announce that our token is now officially listed on Mexc Exchange. Here's to the future filled with endless possibilities and growth let's take this journey to new heights together. So you can find all sorts of new announcements basically on their Twitter here. Now they do a lot of retweeting. I'm just scrolling through here. It says, big things are on the horizon for our community. Stay tuned for some exciting developments that will elevate our journey to new heights. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share what's next with you. Keep your eyes on the stars. Now, so far I have no idea why they are even called Cook Simpson. I didn't even get the name. Now, they have the contract address on their Twitter and a bunch of tweets here, so you can find it listed on their contract address on there. You can find it on their webpage too. If you go over to their webpage, there is a button. It says buy, and that will take you right over to Pancakeswap. So if you're looking to get this token off a decentralized exchange instead of Mexc, you can get it off Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Cook Simpson token using the contract address that you can find on their Twitter or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. I don't know if they specify, but we'll have a look here. So if you go to their webpage, there's not a ton of info because this is very much a meme token. It says, Bart Simpson, welcome to the newest player in the token world. And then it says, there is Bart's Wisdom, Bart's Vault, Springfield Shuffle, and Simpsonized Staking. So it looks like you'll be able to stake this token. So it says special token mechanisms. So the Springfield Swap Shop, it says establish an exclusive trading platform or features where users can exchange Bart tokens for limited edition merchandise and rare collectibles. So a lot of these I don't even think are available yet, but these are probably things that they are working on. There's the Simpson scoreboard, display real-time tracking of holders' contributions such as holding periods or trading frequency. There is Bart's Wisdom Hub. It says create an information hub gathering the latest crypto news and investment advice. And Bart's Adventure Quests. So introducing challenging tasks or quests for token holders upon completing these missions or engaging in community activities. And then it says join Bart for an investment adventure where fun meets potential in the world of tokens. And then they have links to their social, and that's basically it. So it doesn't look like any of the utilities are available yet on their webpage. You can join the socials to stay up to date with what's going on, and this token just got a brand new listing on Mexc. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.